Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Ask to Buy option for a family member on your iCloud account on an iPhone. This is a great feature to have enabled, especially if you're like me and have a young kid who feels like they need to download every game they see an ad for, but at some point you will probably want to turn it off. Or maybe even it was defaulted on and you don't want or need it. To do this, open Settings. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID, iCloud, media, and purchases. Next, tap Family Sharing. Inside of here, you'll see all of your family members. You'll see yourself and any other adults and parents and guardians. If you have a child on your account, you will also see them in here. Scroll down into the Shared with Your Family section, and if you have Ask to Buy enabled for your child, you'll see it there. Inside, you'll see the children in your family that Ask to Buy is enabled for. Tap the child's account, and on the next screen you can toggle off Ask to Buy. If you want to re-enable it, or if it was never enabled in the first place, just go ahead and toggle the switch back to on. And that's how you turn off Ask to Buy for a family member on your iCloud account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.